In today's video, I'm going to show you some toys that slide, that dance, and twist. Hi, I'm Marla Mogul. Welcome to the Windup Project. I'm the Guinness World Record holder for having the most wind-up toys in a private collection. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my wind-up toy collection. Today, I'm going to be featuring toys from California Creations. They are called Z Wind-Up Toys. And what makes these so fun is some of them dance, some of them slide, and some of them twist. So I'm going to show you some from each category. The first ones are the sliders. And I'm going to see how many of these I can get going at the same time. Okay, this one is Filbert the Frog and Chloe the Cow and Trevor the Soldier and this is good old Larry. And then we've got two cute animals here. We have Pauly the Pig. Let's watch Pauly dance. And her friend Herbie the Horse. These toys are amazing the way that they're made. As you can see, they're not just regular wind-up toys that walk. They're very elaborate, and that's really the signature of Z Wind-Ups, are these very elaborate toys. A lot of them are translucent, so you can actually see what's going on in the middle of the toys when they're wound up. Now, these are what they call Noggin Bops, and I have to say, out of my 1,258 toys, these are definitely some of my favorites. And what I noticed about the Noggin Bops is I have more than just this. I'll show you the others, but these are all from holidays, which I find is so interesting that they have so many just for holidays, as well as some dancers. The ones that have some sparkle in them, they call these cackles. So this is a witch cackle Noggin Bop. Here is a snowman cackle Noggin Bop. And this one I love. This one is called Frankenhead. And you can see he's got glitter on his forehead. The other thing with California Creations is they name their toys. Here's two of the newer from the Christmas collection. This is Rudy the reindeer and Santa. They are from the Jingle Bops collection. Okay, and here's just a couple more from the holiday collection. This is a jack-o'-lantern, and it is a cackle because he has some glitter on there. This is Skully the skeleton. Here is a blue Santa. I'm going to call him Santa because he's got the Santa hat on. Here is actually the real Santa. And this guy who's dressed up as a Santa, he's also wearing his cool dude sunglasses. So cute. Like I said, these are some of my favorites. Now I've got a few more Noggin Bops that are not in the holiday collection. These are probably the most popular. This is Lance and Lola. And you could see inside of their stomachs are hearts, and it actually says, "I love you" on the front. And how's that for a cute couple? This is Max, and Max has a partner, and I unfortunately do not have her. So I instead am substituting this beautiful young Noggin Bop to be his dance partner. And I love how the women are wearing these little skirts. And even though these are not twisters, these are Noggin Bops, it looks to me like they are doing the twist. That is Lance and Lola. The last Noggin Bop is Lady Liberty. It even says across her chest, it says Liberty. The next collection from Z Windups, these are twisters. So they're a little bit different, they're a little bit bigger than the others, and you'll see the motion that they make. These two, this is Tommy and his dance partner, Trixie. I love those. And then another twist on these toys is a duck. This is David, the twisting duck. Oops. And there you have the twisters. That's it for my Z Windup toys, but what I want to show you next is there are some knockoffs on the Z Windup toys because they are so cute. And these are, you could tell they're knockoffs. They're not as intricate, they're not as well made. These are dancing robots, and you can actually get these on Amazon. If you just check the link below, you can get them there. You can also get these on Amazon. Same idea, same concept as the Noggin Bops with a little more creativity. This is a young girl, and she's got looks like a shopping bag, and she's carrying her cell phone. Here we have a tennis player with the tennis ball and a racket, and this is an ice skater with a water bottle. There goes, that's cute. Really looks like he's playing tennis, and the skater looks like he's getting a lot of movement in there. And that's it. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed seeing these dancers and sliders and Noggin Bops. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I hope to see you soon. And remember, keep smiling.